Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out something small but incredibly powerful, the MINISFORUM UM690L Slim Mini PC. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link below to get it today at the best discounted price available. You won't believe the value on this one. So, what's inside this compact beast? At its core, you've got the AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX processor, 8 cores, 16 threads, and clock speeds of up to 4.9 GHz. This chip delivers laptop-like efficiency with desktop-class performance, making it perfect for multitasking, running demanding software, or even light gaming. It's paired with 32 GB of ultra-fast LPDDR5 RAM, so whether you're editing 4K videos, running multiple virtual machines, or keeping dozens of browser tabs open, everything runs butter smooth. Add to that the 500GB PCIe 4.0 SSD, and you're looking at lightning-fast boot times, near-instant application launches, and file transfers that are way quicker than older SSDs. Connectivity is another highlight. The UM690L comes with DisplayPort, HDMI 2.1, and USB 4, giving you support for multiple high-resolution monitors, including 8K displays or triple 4K setups for productivity or entertainment. You also get 4 USB ports for peripherals, so connecting keyboards, mice, drives, and more is effortless. What really stands out is the form factor. This thing is slim, quiet, and energy efficient. You can mount it behind a monitor, hide it under a desk, or carry it in a backpack. It's perfect for office setups, home entertainment centers, or even as a portable workstation for digital nomads. Whether you're a content creator, programmer, office professional, or someone who just wants a clutter-free, high-performance PC, the MINISFORUM UM690L is a game-changer. It delivers desktop power in a footprint small enough to fit in the palm of your hand. And remember, the link below has the best deal available right now. Grab yours before the price goes up or stock runs out.